Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So let us continue the series of best and worst case price predictions for all our crypto assets. I hope you guys have seen part 1, part 2. If you haven't, please check out that video. And today let's begin with part 3 of this series. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer, and let's see which 5 crypto assets are we going to see today. So we are going to the screen, and the first asset that we are going to see is XRP, that is Ripple. And as you can see very clearly that it is come down almost more than 50%, 60%. Let us see the price correction which has happened. Almost 75% from its all-time high, recent all-time high. So the important point for XRP, and which there is a very strong support, is this zone, which you can clearly see. We are looking at a weekly chart. Look at this entire zone, and that is around 36 cents. So the worst case scenario which I see for XRP is ranging between 36 to 13 cents. Anywhere between here it can bottom out. If at all we see a full-fledged bear market, I don't think it will go anywhere below 13 cents. Even in this SEC case, it did not go below that. So this is a very strong support zone. I don't think XRP will go below that. So anywhere between 36 to 13 cent is the worst case scenario if we see the full-fledged bear market. And the best case scenario for the next leg up, I see XRP going to up till $3 in its next leg up. So this is XRP for you. The next asset that we are looking at is Aave. Again, a very strong asset, and has pumped extremely well in this bull market. This entire pump that you can see of Aave was because of this breakout at $70 to $75 range. So the worst case scenario for Aave would be to come down and retest anywhere in this range between 100 to 75. This can be the worst case scenario for Aave, to come down as low as 100 to 75. And the next target for its next leg up, the best case scenario for Aave would be somewhere around $800 to $815 for its next leg up from here. So that was Aave for you. Now let us jump to the third asset, that is Stellar or XLM. Again, which we can clearly see over here in XLM, that this has been a very strong support for XLM. So the worst case scenario for XLM would be to come down as low as 12 cents, and anything between 12 to 8 cents. This can be the worst case scenario for XLM. And for its next leg up, the best case scenario would be $1 for XLM. This is what I see for XLM in its next leg up. The fourth asset that we are looking today is Theta. Guys, please like this video if you're liking this work that I do, and a like would be very encouraging. If you can comment down below, that would be really encouraging. And if you can, please share the video also. So the next asset that we are looking at is Theta. Again, extremely bullish asset, has made a lot of millionaires to all who got in early. So Theta is again a very strong trending asset, one of the highest gainers of this bull market. The worst case scenario for Theta that I see is, if we see a full-fledged bear market, that it can come down as low as $1.36. So around $1.30 to $2. This is a range. This entire wave of Theta was result of this breakout, in my opinion. If you can see here clearly, this breakout and retest. We are looking at a weekly chart. This was the result of this entire pump. So the worst case would be to come below and retest this. That is between $2 to $1.3. That's the worst case scenario for Theta, in my opinion. And the last asset for today is VeChain. We're looking at VeChain, and again, a very strong asset in my opinion. VeChain, the worst case scenario for VeChain would be to come as low as 2 cents. This is a very strong zone for VeChain, price between 2 cents to 1.5 cents. So this is the worst case scenario for VeChain if we see a full-fledged bear market. And the best case scenario for the next leg up would be at around 57 to 60 cents for VeChain. This is only for next leg up. We are not talking about the overall all-time high, but for the next all-time high, for the next leg up, VeChain can make an all-time high or local top at around 57 to 60 cents. So that's it, guys, for this part 3. We'll come back with part 4 tomorrow. If you want me to assess any of your favorite crypto asset in the best and worst case, please mention in the comment and I will see what I can do. Take care. Bye bye. See you for the next video.